Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramdan Arya Nugraha. I am in 10th grade Ayatan Samain 1 Palimanan. I will be presenting a text entitled Is Watching Movies a Good Way to Learn English? And I will explain agreement and disagreement. Is watching movies a good way to learn English? Watching movies is one of the most popular activities among students. Many students enjoy watching movies in their free time. Because of this, some people believe that watching movies can help students learn English, while others are not sure about it. Some people agree that watching movies is a good way to learn English. They believe that movies help students improve their listening skills and pronunciation. In addition, students can learn new vocabulary and expression from to the character in the movie. Many students say that they agree with this method because learning through movies is fun and not boring. This shows that they see movies as an effective learning tool. However, not everyone shares the same opinion. Some teachers disagree with this idea. They think uh, that students may focus more on the story than the language. As a result, students might not really learn English from the movie. Some people say, I don't think watching movies is effective because students just watch without paying attention to the language. This shows a clear disagreement. On the other hand, there are also people who partly agree. They understand that movies can be helpful, but they believe the students need guidance. They often say that watching movies is useful, but students should use subtitles or take note to really learn. This many they agree, but they also think that it needs a proper method. In conclusion, watching movies can be a useful way to learn English. Some people agree because it improves listening skills, vocabulary, while others disagree because students might not focus on learning. Therefore, students should use movies wisely as a learning tool. I will explain the disagreement and agreement points in the text. Watching films is popular among teenagers and students today. Some people agree that watching English films with subtitles while studying is beneficial. Others disagree, arguing that watching films with subtitles distracts students from focusing only enjoying the story and not understanding it. In the second paragraph, they state that they agreement because they believe watching English films can help students learn English and is enjoyable, and they can understand the subtitle of the films they watch for learning. In the third paragraph, they state that some people and teachers disagree because watching films while studying can make students not focus more on the story than on the subtitle to learn the language. In the fourth paragraph, they state that they agree because learning while understanding films can be fun and beneficial, both students need supervision. In conclusion, watching films has both positive and negative impacts. Some agree that watching English films and beneficial for teaching, but adult supervision is necessary. Others disagree because they focus on the story and neglect understanding the language or subtitles. That's all my presentation. More or less apologize me. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.